Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 342. It's an easy level problem, nothing fancy to be done. It says that calculate delayed arrival time. So you are given a positive integer arrival time denoting the arrival time of a train in hours, and another positive array delayed time denoting the amount of delay in hours. Okay, so return the time when the train will arrive at the station. Note that the time in this problem is in 24 hours format. Okay, like for example, the arrival time is 15 and it is delayed by 5. Okay, 5 hours, so it becomes 20, right? It arrives at 20 hours. That is what it is saying. Now the second example is the train was to arrive at 13. It arrived at how much time? 24. So 24 is basically it arrived at 0 hours, right? Because we have 24-hour format, right? So after 23, 59, it becomes 24. So that's what we are doing. It also says the arrival time will obviously lie between 1 to 24 and the delayed time can be 1 to 24, right? And you have to obviously return the answer that what is the actual time when the train will arrive. So I don't think we need much explanation for this one. All you need to do is add the arrival time and the delayed time. Okay, and if the value goes beyond 24, if it is greater than or equal to, I would say greater than or equal to 24, all you need to do is you need to take mod with 24, right? Because suppose your final answer a plus d comes out to be 24, so actually you have to convert it to 0. If it comes out to be 25, you have to convert it into 1, right? So that is why we have taken a mod and finally return your answer, right? So I would say a very easy problem. In fact, the contest that we are having today, right? So it's a relatively easy contest. You have probably 3 medium problems and 1 easy. So yeah, but again, a relatively easier problem to solve. So yeah, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.